Hi, my name is Mike Shelley, and today I'm going to show you how to put together a Rio Portable Beach Shelter. I bought this for about 30 bucks at Walmart. The quality is alright, I would say. For 30 bucks you can't ask for more. And putting it together is a little bit daunting, but I think we've figured it out now, and I'm going to show you how it goes step by step. Now, the most compelling part of the portable sun shelter is the small form factor. You can see it's about 2 feet long, and it clocks in at about 3 pounds. So that's very nice to take with you while you're traveling. And you can see it consists of a bag, and if you open that, you can get the canvas out, plus 3 different rods. These 3 different rods have 3 different sizes. 2 smaller ones, those are the vertical rods, and this one which makes the entrance span. You can put them together like this, and they just unfold like that. Set out the canvas like this. The 3 different rods go here. There's the second short one there, and the third one goes. To insert the rod into this eyelid, just push it through. Note that it's the inner hole, not the outer one. And in order to get it into those guide rings, simply snap them in one by one. And at the other end, once you've snapped in the last guide ring, just push the end of this rod into the eyelid on the other end, like this. Same goes for the second vertical rod. This is the first one, this is the second one, goes almost in parallel. Guide them through all the guide rings and push it into the eyelid at the end. The third rod is somewhat more complicated to put in. So it spans over there, so it makes an arc that forms the entrance later on. Push it into the eyelid here, and then guide it along these guide rings. And finally, over here, we try to push it through the eyelid. Now at the intersection of the vertical and the horizontal beam, we can tie down and make a little loop so you can open it up later on. And there you have it. It's a nice shelter, and if you're on the beach, just use these herrings to plug them in, but they're not very stable, so I recommend that you bring some plastic bags and fill them with what you have in abundance on the beach, which is sand, and just place them in the corners to make them a little heavier. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope that was helpful. Bye now.